An AI just designed a drug for a disease that kills people in 3 years. It only took 18 months. Humans, they would have needed 6, and nobody on your feed is telling you about it. I'm Nate. I dig into the moves the people at the top are making because the biggest stories about AI aren't the ones going viral. They're the ones nobody is bothering to tell you. So here's the story. There is a disease called idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. Roughly 100,000 Americans are living with it right now, and something like 34,000 more get diagnosed every year. It scars your lungs from the inside out until you can't breathe, and the median survival is only 3 to 5 years from diagnosis. There's no cure, only 2 FDA-approved treatments exist, and neither of them stops it. They only just slow it down. A private company called Insilico Medicine designed a new drug for it. 18 months. Target identification to a clinical candidate ready for human testing. And here's what makes that insane. Traditional drug discovery is basically educated guessing. Scientists look at the disease, hypothesize about one molecule at a time, spend months making it in a lab, and often find out it doesn't work. Then they start all over. That's why it takes years and years. AI doesn't guess. It takes the exact shape of the protein causing the disease. It generates millions of possible drug molecules and tests every one of them against that protein at the same time, all in parallel. It figures out which ones bind to the disease, which ones survive the human body, which ones can actually reach the lungs, and which ones won't kill you in the process, all before anyone makes a single one in a lab. Think of it like this. Traditional drug discovery is trying to find a key that fits a lock you've never seen by making one key at a time and hoping. AI takes a photograph of the lock, digitally generates every possible key that could fit, tests them all against the picture in seconds, and then hands scientists the top 100 to actually build. That's what Insilico did, and that drug is now in phase 2 human trials. Early results show it's safe, well tolerated. There's a trend towards slowing the disease down, not a cure yet, not proven, but real people with a disease that used to be a death sentence. Now here's why this matters to you. I've been critical of AI, the layoffs, the water, the power grid, real costs, real receipts, and I'm going to keep making those videos. But social media is a fear-mongering place selling you 2 stories about AI. Either it's a bubble or it's coming for your job. Both are half true, but neither is the whole story. The whole story includes the AI that just designed a lung drug for a disease with no cure. It includes the 200 plus AI discovered drugs in clinical trials right now. It includes companies actually using this technology on the thing we should have wanted it to do all along. You can't buy Insilico, they're private. This isn't a stock pitch. Sometimes the most important companies aren't the ones you can buy. They're just the ones you should know exist. The companies making a buck off AI slop and layoff headlines are gonna lose in the long run. The companies using AI on problems that actually matter are going to win. That's my bet. And when public companies start emerging in the space, I'll be the one telling you. Fall for more and hate the market with me.